Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 44 and teach you how to use is it, have you, do they, etc. in our day-to-day life. It means we are going to learn how to form questions. Part 1. For example, am I late? Can Ram swim? So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 44. Is it? Have you? Do they? Etc. How to make questions. Part 1. Section A. Positive. You are eating. Question. Are you eating? What are you eating? In questions, the first verb is, are, have, etc. is before the subject. Positive, subject plus verb. I am late. In question, am I late? That seat is free. Is that seat free? She was angry. Why was she angry? David has gone. Where has David gone? You have got a car. Have you got a car? They will be here soon. When will they be here? Paula can swim. Can Paula swim? Remember, the subject is after the first verb. Where has David gone? Are those people waiting for something? When was the telephone invented? Section B. Do, does, did. Present simple questions. Do I work? Do I live? Do I go? Do we work? Do we live? Do we go? Do you work? Do you live? Do you go? Do they work? Do they live? Do they go? Does he work? Does he live? Does he go? Does she work? Does she live? Does she go? Does it work? Does it live? Does it go? Did I work? Did I live? Did I go? Did they work? Did they live? Did they go? Did he work? Did he live? Did he go? Did she work? Did she live? Did she go? Etc. Now we are going to convert positive sentences into question sentences. They work hard. Do they work hard? You watch television. How often do you watch television? Chris works hard. Does Chris work hard? She gets up early. What time does she get up? They worked hard. Did they work hard? You had dinner. What did you have for dinner? She got up early. What time did she get up? Sometimes do is the main verb. Do you do? Did he do? Etc. What do you usually do at weekends? A. What does your brother do? B. He works in a bank. A. I broke my finger last week. B. How did you do that? Section C. Why isn't? Why don't? Etc. Where is John? Why isn't he here? Why can't Paula come to the meeting tomorrow? Why didn't you phone me last night? Now it's time for exercises. 44.1. Write questions. Number 1. I can swim. And you? Can you swim? Number 2. I work hard. And Jack? Does Jack work hard? Number 3. I was late this morning. And you? Were you late this morning? Number 4. I've got a key. And Kate? Has Kate got a key? Number 5. I'll be here tomorrow. And you? Will you be here tomorrow? Number 6. I'm going out this evening. And Paul? Is Paul going out this evening? Number 7. I like my job. And you? Do you like your job? Number 8. I live near here. And Nicola? Does Nicola live near here? Number 9. I enjoyed the film. And you? Did you enjoy the film? Number 10. I had a good holiday. And you? Did you have a good holiday? 44.2. You are talking to a friend about driving. Write the full questions. Number 1. Have you got a car? Yes, I have. Number 2. Do you use it a lot? Yes, nearly every day. Number 3. Did you use it yesterday? Yes, to go to work. Number 4. Do you enjoy driving? Not very much. Number 5. Are you a good driver? I think I am. Number 6. Have you ever had an accident? No, never. 44.3. Make questions with these words. Put the words in the right order. Number 1. Where has David gone? Number 2. Is Rachel working today? Number 3. What are the children doing? Number 4. How is cheese made? Number 5. Is your sister coming to the party? Number 6. Why don't you tell the truth? Number 7. Have your guest arrived yet? Number 8. What time does your train leave? Number 9. Why didn't Emily go to work? Number 10. Was your car damaged in the accident? 44.4. Complete the questions. Number 1. I want to go out. Where do you want to go? Number 2. Kate and Paul aren't going to the party. Why aren't they going? Number 3. I am reading. What are you reading? Number 4. Sue went to bed early. What time did she go to bed? Number 5. My parents are going on holiday. When are they going on holiday? Number 6. I saw Tom a few days ago. Where did you see him? Number 7. I can't come to the party. Why can't you come to the party? Number 8. Tina has gone away. Where has Tina gone? Number 9. I need some money. How much money do you need? Number 10. Angela doesn't like me. Why doesn't she like you? Number 11. It rains sometimes. How often does it rain? Number 12. I did the shopping. When did you do the shopping? This is the end of unit number 44. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 45. Till then, bye bye.